Hi, I'm Laurel with Kendall Toyota. You may not know this, but there are a ton of modifications that you can put on almost any Toyota. Today we're going to show you one of the modifications that you can put on a Tacoma, the SkyRise HD Tent. The SkyRise tent is a tent that fits up to 2 people, but the unusual thing is that it sits on top of the Tacoma. In this setup, we are attaching it to the Yakima crossbar system for the Tacoma. So this SkyRise HD small tent will cost you $1,999, and it can be purchased separately. There are also different sizes to choose from. For the installation process, you may want some help. It's a 3x4 system setup. It does have a bit of weight to it, but once it's installed, it's easy to open up and put away, which we're going to show you how to do that right now. So this is what it looks like all put together. If you want to take a look for yourself, come see us at 373 Good Pasture Island Road and ask to see me, Laurel. Or feel free to subscribe to this channel to learn more. Or visit our website at kendalltoyotaofeugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.